In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text in Zoho Cliq. If you've ever felt the need to emphasize certain words or phrases while chatting with your team, knowing how to make your text bold can be incredibly helpful. It stands out by catching the reader's eye and ensuring your message gets noticed. So, let's dive into the simple yet effective methods you can use to achieve this in Zoho Cliq. First, let's explore the method of using Markdown. This is a straightforward process and handy if you prefer typing rather than fiddling with your mouse or trackpad. Start by opening the chat or channel where you want your message to appear. Once you've done that, think about what you want to say and type out your message as you normally would. Here comes the key part. To bold a specific section of your text, you'll need to add 2 asterisks right before the first word and 2 more right after the last word you want to emphasize. For instance, typing. This is bold text. We'll transform the enclosed words into bold text when sent. Make sure there are no spaces between the asterisks and the words, as this ensures the Markdown syntax works correctly. Now, if typing out asterisks feels a bit clunky, or if you just want a faster way, Zoho Cliq conveniently offers a keyboard shortcut. Select the piece of text you wish to bold within the text composer. When using a Windows device, press Ctrl+B, or if you're on a Mac, use Command+B. This instantly transforms your selected text into bold, saving you the time and effort of manually typing out the asterisks. For those of you who are more mouse-centric or prefer using the graphical interface, this next tip is just for you. After highlighting the text you wish to bold, you can simply right-click on it. A contextual menu will appear. Look for the option or icon marked for bolding, and click it. Usually represented by a B or the word bold, this option will do the work of turning your selected text bold with just a simple click. With these techniques in your toolkit, you can easily adapt to whatever method suits your style or complements your workflow the best. Whether you prefer the precision of Markdown, the speed of keyboard shortcuts, or the visual aid of a right-click menu, rest assured that emphasizing your text is just a few simple actions away. This can be particularly useful in fast-paced work environments where clarity and emphasis are crucial. Keep practicing these methods, and soon, bolding text in Zoho Cliq will become second nature. We hope you find this guide helpful for all your future communications within Zoho Cliq.